Lord, kailan po? Patapos na po yung taon pero parang wala pa ring bago. Puro na lang laban pero hindi pa yata ako aabot sa finals. Lord, uusad pa kaya? Lord, kaya pa kaya? Maybe these are the words that you are telling God lately. Maybe these are the quiet words remain hidden in your heart. Or maybe these are something that bothers you every day. And dear, God knows it all. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, next month, or next year. But God is still in control. Hindi mo palaging maiintindihan, pero magtiwala ka pa rin. Trusting God may look differently every day. Sometimes you will find yourself crying out loud. Sometimes you are in perfect calm and peace. Sometimes you will be left confused by your circumstances. And sometimes it is too much to bear. But only in His presence that we can experience troubles of life and still trusting God even more. No one tells us how long it would be, but when God says it's time, it's time. And when God opens up a door for you, no one can even close it, no one can even stop it. If it's for you, your name is written all over it. It will arrive on time, and no one can steal it from you. With love and prayers, Noel.